hard. I recommend it here at Importalliance with my pops, my mom, and Greenville. Bowling Green. I just found one of the BMWs that I like, you know. I wanted to show you guys. There's a lot of cars here. If you weren't able to make it, I hope you get to make it to the next one. I'm gonna do a lot of B-roll shots and stuff like that of cars here. So look forward to it, and I hope you enjoy the video. It's the color I want in everything. This is my first time. Bird blog. Yeah, I'll follow. M3. He got an exhaust system there then. It's Leon recommended here the day after Importalliance, the morning after, and I just want to give you guys a little recap of my thoughts of it. My first time going to an Importalliance event. If you missed out, it was Saturday and Sunday. It was epic, man. I was only able to go to the Sunday event because I had work Saturday, and it was in Bowling Green, Kentucky. Saw a lot of amazing cars. Y'all gonna see the footage throughout this video. So let me just go ahead and start this video. My thoughts on Importalliance is a really dope car scene, car event. It will really make you want to go ahead and do everything you want to your car right away. Make you want to go to more car events, meet more people, see different builds, see different cars. You know, JDM, Euro guys are there, Mopar guys. So the whole car scene is at Importalliance. It had drifting, which I freaking love. I want to learn how to do. It had, you know, draggies, like the quarter mile and an 1/8 mile. And then it just has some dope cars there, man. So if you weren't there, the one in Atlanta got canceled this year. So hopefully next year you'll bring your build, bring a group of friends. Next year, me, my pops, and hopefully my cousin and my brother, we just caravan up there with our cars. Hopefully my build be done by then. Saw a few E90 guys, which were dope. Man, it was really good experience. One change for the world. So I hope y'all like the pictures and the footage that I'm gonna post. And also I'm gonna throw in this little mod, the oil cap breather. There's a lot of tutorials on how that works and stuff like that. I'm gonna just drop it in. It's just a little simple mod for your oil cap over your engine. So it's a VTT one, so here it is. And after that it'll pretty much be footage of Importalliance. So thank y'all for watching. Drop a like, comment, and subscribe. This man done so hard. Oh my God. Let's go, man.
I just like the way the Hawkeye look, man. It looks cool. Sequential.
That's the one everybody get in my car. Like after they do the single turbo. Yeah, his junk clean.
Then I got the ET. He clean though. I can't lie to you. Look at one more picture of it.
He got a roll cage. I don't know, that boy clean. You got your picture so I can do a little bit more.
Because he was building one of the
Okay. Low life industries. I mess with it. That boy is clean. Boy, gangster. Yes, sir, ski. That boy got an SS. Ma, he coming harder than you, ma.
Absolutely, this is wrong.
No, it's not my car.
This is your car, ma. You pick
got
it.
it.
This is the car you said you want.
CF?
This a V8. I got a VR. Chassis. We go by chassis codes.
Okay. Ma, yeah, that's the car you said you wanted,
Get
man.
in there just, I mean, perfect. I wonder what it is though. Is it like an LS1 or 2 or 3?
LS3 or something.
I would do 3.
Might be the best one.
This might paint a magnet.
That's how I'm trying to have mine.
If you get your paint this clean, if I get my paint this clean,
I ain't gonna do it until right hand drive too.
that means it's from the paint.
I haven't seen.
Yeah, cool on.
One thing I haven't seen is somebody with the V8 do twins with it. I've seen the supercharger though. But it looks good. Let me get some.
Look, bring it up, yeah, told it.
And he manual.
This the shot right here. Get right here.
I want the TEs. Yes, sir.
Everybody got TE. That's what I told you.
They clean. TEs. 37s. Out here. Man, you need to be taking pictures of these wheels so you can pick out which wheels you want. Alright. E46, man, that's crazy. Really could have did it from the car. That would have been. You wouldn't even have to go nowhere. S14, that boy hard. There it is. Pretty sturdy. Make sure you have it tightened down. Looks really good, man. Gonna restore the headlights. So be looking for more mods, man.